welcome back to Play CCN, which is brought to you by ARBS Exhibitions. This is our final edition of Play for 2025, but we will be back in the new year. Well, Daikin Australia dominated the headlines this week with the opening of its second Sydney factory. The $28.6 million facility will have a commercial focus, producing customised air handling units and rooftop packaged air conditioners. Factory 1 will remain focused on ducted systems. Talking to executives at the opening yesterday, they said the investment reflects Daikin's confidence in the Australian market. In fact, Australia remains one of the most profitable markets in Asia, despite a small population compared to neighbouring markets. Daikin is serious about investing in R&D and developing more products, even branching out into the data centre market and producing product for that market. It's clear Daikin is serious. Earlier in the week, Daikin Applied in the US announced that it is investing US163 million in a test lab, which will focus on, the focus will be data centre product development. An impressive part, I have to say, of Daikin's new production facility is the training dojo. The focus is on in-house skills development and continuous learning. The second factory has already created over 60 full-time jobs, which means Daikin Australia now employs over 700 staff nationwide. Now, there has been a huge response to proposed changes to the HFC phase-down timeline in the United States. The Environmental Protection Agency received more than 2,300 responses by deadline. The final decision will be announced in the new year. The proposal extends a number of phase-down deadlines and raises GWP limits on certain refrigeration applications. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, and for the year. We'll be back in January. In the new year, CCN reopens on the 5th of January, and we'll be back in 2026 thanks to our sponsor, ARBS Exhibitions. Thank you for watching.